What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya, and today I'm going to show you this strategy that managed to make me over $200 in a single day. So it means that you can try and practice this strategy and start making at least $200 daily. I'm going to share with you guys the settings that you need for this strategy, everything that you need, the conditions. Also going to do some back testing, and I'm also going to show you the trade that I actually entered today on the 22nd of August in 2023, as you can see. And I'm going to share with you guys how I managed to do that. This is the trade right here that you see, and we exited right around this region, which is one of the highest areas that the price actually drove up to. So I'm going to share with you guys all the settings that you need. We're going to go through the whole trading process and see how we can grow our accounts using this strategy. Now, if you're new to this channel, we're currently doing a 100-day trading challenge, and if you want to be part of that, make sure you have subscribed and make sure you have turned on your notification bell and comment down below that you are interested. Basically, this 100-day trading challenge is we are looking at the market each and every single day and looking for ways that we can make some profits. So if you also want to make some profits and trade boom and crash or any other volatility indices, make sure that you have subscribed to this channel. We're looking at the market daily. Like I said, there's a group for that, and if you have already requested to join, please wait, because there are so many people that are interested. We'll definitely send you the link to join that group quite easily. But today we want to look at this strategy. This is the strategy that you see on the screen. What I'll do is I'll remove all the indicators so that we can have a step-by-step process of installing it, and then we'll then later on look at the conditions that have to be met, and then do some back testing. You've already seen the results, but I want you guys to try it out on your demo accounts first before moving on to your real account. Okay, so what I'll do right now is I'll remove all these indicators. All right, as you can see, we are now left with a blank chart. We're currently on crash 500, and we are in our 15 minutes time frame, which is the time frame that we're going to be using throughout this video or throughout this strategy. It is one of the best time frames, in my opinion, because you can actually pick a trend from your 15-minute time frame rather than any other time frame lower than that. It's pretty much risky for you to get a proper trend from any time frame lower than that, because the market is not giving you enough data to analyze and see. Okay, please guys, make sure you click the like button. I'm giving you this strategy for free. I know most of the mentors are selling these strategies, but you are getting it for free. So the least you could do is just click the like button and make sure you are subscribed. Okay, so the first indicator I want to install is called the Ichimoku. So I'm going to go to my indicators section, click on main window, look for the Ichimoku, which is right here. I think it's on the 4th position, and we're going to add the following properties that you see on my screen. I've got a Tenkan Sen of 9, a Kijun Sen of 9, a Span B of 9 as well. There is no fill on this one, and on the time frame, you can just leave it on all time frames, just in case you decide to switch time frames. You still have to keep your strategy. And then on the styling, we made the Tenkan Sen to be black and the Kijun Sen to be brown. Okay, then the rest of these indicators should have the same color as your background. So my span is white, my up is white, my down comma is white, because I also have a white background. So if I click done, I only see this black and brown line showing up on my chart, which is exactly what we need only. So the other lines should not be showing on your charts if you install this strategy correctly. Okay, please find somewhere to write so that you can write the little tips that I'll be giving you throughout the entire video. Okay, moving on, we want to set up our indicator window 1, which is going to help us on our entries, finding the right entry, finding the right confirmation. So I'm going to go back to my indicator section again, click on main window, and look for the awesome oscillator. Okay, we want to add the awesome oscillator, which is right here, and it's going to have the default settings. Basically, the value up is the same as your bullish candlesticks, and your value down is also the same color as your bearish candlesticks Okay, I think that's self-explanatory. So if you click done, you have these red and green bars at the bottom right here. As you can see, the value ups are in line with your bullish candlesticks. So whenever you see green on these bars, it means the values are increasing. Okay, and of course the opposite is true. When you see the red bars at the bottom, it means the value is decreasing as well. Okay, so that is that for the awesome oscillator. We need to move on to the final indicator that we will need. So going back to my indicator section, this time I'm going to click where it says indicator window 1, and we're going to add a moving average. Okay, and this moving average will have the following properties that you see on my screen. We have a period of 60, a shift of 0. The method is exponential. We have applied to previous indicators data, and like I said, on time frame, try and have it on all time frames. And on the styling, I chose the green color. Please try and follow the same colors that I'm using throughout this video so that you don't get confused when I start referring back to these colors, because it will be difficult for me to specify and say EMA 60 or moving average or Ichimoku. Okay, so we'll just be referring to these colors. Okay, so if I click done, I should have a green line running across my charts like that, and we've successfully installed our strategy. Now we're left with understanding how it works, the conditions, and also doing some back testing to see how best you can try it out on your own. All right, so with that said, let's get back into business. Please make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post the next video. Remember, we are in the 100-day trading challenge, which means we're trading and analyzing the market each and every single day for the next 100 days. So if you want to be part of that, like this video, comment down below that you're interested, make sure that you're a subscriber, and you can send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number showing me that you have subscribed, you have liked this video, and you have commented down below, and I will be able to add you to the WhatsApp group that we'll be looking at in the 100-day trading challenge. It's pretty simple, completely free. All you have to do is subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, you'll be able to find my WhatsApp number from the description box below. There is a Telegram link that's available and free to join for anyone and for everyone. So just click that link, it will take you straight to our Telegram channel. We have over 7,000 traders in that channel, and you can join for free as well and be part of us. Just click the link and it will take you straight to that platform. Okay, so with that said, let's look into today's business. How are we going to make some money with this strategy? I'll start off by explaining a buy trade, because this is the one that I was actually trading on, as you can see, and the conditions are pretty simple. You're going to need only 2 confirmations for you to enter into the market. Number 1, you want to have this green line cross and go below those green bars that you see right there. Okay, so basically the bars went above this green line, in other words, and the moment you see something like that, you see this green line now below these bars, there is a change in momentum from the market. We're basically saying the values are now above average. So what is most likely to happen is we are going to go up. We're going to continue in an uptrend, or we're starting an uptrend. Okay, then your entry will then be confirmed by having candlesticks crossing to be above that brown line, and with that 2 confirmation, you can enter into a buy trade. And as you can see, my market went all the way up. Okay, let me explain another buy scenario before we move on to a sell, and so that you guys can clearly see what I am talking about. I want to look for the perfect buy entry. All right, here we have one. Why? Because we see our bars going above our green line here, and we see our price crossing to above the brown line. And can you see how long we went all the way up? I actually traded some of those trades. Can you also see that we never broke the previous low? So the previous low would be your stop loss, of course, if you guys know how to trade. If you don't understand trading, if this is your first time, or if you have never received proper training, please make sure you look for proper training before jumping into the markets, because forex trading is very, very risky and you might lose your capital if you don't know what you're doing. And you will need other necessary knowledge for you to be able to trade perfectly with this strategy. Remember, you need to know your stop losses, your pips, all that. And we're doing a mentorship program. It cost about $50, pretty nothing for you to learn price action, BTMM, confluence trading, indicators, all this. You'll be able to learn it for only $50 under our mentorship program. If you're interested in that, make sure you contact us. Like I said, my number will be in our Telegram channel. You can see everything in our Telegram channel: my trading results, my students trading results, my signal service results, our mentorship results, and our account management results as well. So everything is in our Telegram. You can see even for dates before you were even in that Telegram channel. So click the link in the description box below and join right away. So can you see how this strategy works? Let's talk about the other way. Let's talk about your selling conditions. What are you looking for when you want to sell? How do you enter into a sell trade? Okay, here is what happened actually on this one. I want you to see something. I'll first just point out what happened. Your first entry, this one was a short one. You see, if you want to sell this time, you want to expect the bars, the red bars, to be below your green line like that. And you also expect for price to cross and go below that brown line like that. And as you can see, the market went all the way down. Okay, let me show you another entry that we took. This one, we jumped in a little bit early on this one, but still the conditions were the same, or with our bars going down. Actually jumped in way too early because we had missed the first entry, so we just thought we should jump in. So whichever entry you took there, you would still be profitable. Remember, this time you're going against spikes. You're going in line with spikes, so you're actually catching spikes all the way down. Can you just imagine, all the way down to this point and just catching spikes? And the moment you exit this trade, you can already see another trade coming up right there. Can you see how powerful these strategies are, guys? So if you want to be taught by me and be taught how to increase your accuracy by involving price action in this, of course there was price action involved, there was indicators involved. I am confidence trader, which means I look at so many conditions. They have to be met before I actually make a trade, because I want to be a sniper trader, and that's how you make $200 early in the morning, just like that. So all this, you can learn it and master it, guys. This strategy is priceless. Let's look at another opportunity that is actually available right here. You can see price has broken to go below that brown line. You can also see that here, if you can see that our red bars are going below our green line. So this is a confirmed sell entry. So I would have immediately exited my buy trade and entered into a sell trade and still be profitable all the way from that top. Even if I enter here, I will still be profitable. Okay, remember, you're catching spikes for this one, so you just have to adjust on your stop loss and all that, so that you are not stopped out before you don't get a margin call before your trade is in profit or before the spike. Okay, if you guys want me to do a part 2 explaining this, if you love this strategy, I'll see by the likes and the comments that you leave for me, guys. Until next time.